What is up, everybody? This is a very impromptu thrift with me. My name's Shay. I am a full-time reseller. I find things at thrift stores and garage sales that are undervalued and sell them on eBay for a profit as my full-time job. It's really awesome. So today we're doing a very impromptu thrift trip. We are in small town Iowa, and I'm going to flip through every single rack in this store. I don't care what it is. I'm going to flip through it and I'm going to find things, even here, that we can flip for a profit on eBay. So stay tuned. Okay, they had a total knockoff unbranded sweater and they marked it at $15. I have no idea what is going on with their pricers in the back of this place, but these are all the items that I passed on, and there will be a haul at the end. But there was like a handmade vest, this Woolridge vest I thought was going to be way better than it was, but they were only selling for like $10. This just wasn't substantial enough. It was a cool style, similar to things that I see, in stores today, but I just didn't like it enough. Those shorts I thought were really cool, but they were only, selling for like $10. Just a random skirt. I wish I could sell vintage like all the people I see on Instagram, but I just can't seem to get the prices that they do. But I probably just need to sit on it for longer. This was really, really pretty. And it was new with tags, so I probably should have grabbed it. I should have grabbed that, but I didn't. This was a really cute style. It was $7. I thought isn't that cute? I totally see that style, being sold today. This really cute patchwork vest. This was like a Donald Duck little tank top. It was a Disney tag, vintage, but they were only going for like $25 and it was $7. This one I probably should have brought just based on style, because it was only, I think, $4. Yeah, $4. This was an Ann Taylor, really cute, size 14, new with tags, but the comps just really weren't there, and they had it priced at $15. This one was also so cute, but it didn't have a size, and I just didn't want to measure it. That one was also adorable. I'm just being very picky. I probably should have grabbed this because it is very beautiful, but it had some staining and I wasn't confident I could get it out without ruining it. That wasn't actually vintage, but they had it in the vintage area. I decided to pass. This reeked of old lady, and I decided that I love the style, but I just don't want to try to get that smell out. This is Oscar de la Renta, and remember, this is a small town, so you never know what you're going to find, but it didn't end up being worth it for me. I just love the print of this dress, but comps really just weren't there for what they wanted for it. $7, this Pendleton was priced at $20. I looked it up anyway, and it ended up being not that great. Also, this was like a Y2K prom dress. It was marked at $10. I probably should have gotten it. It was at Jessica McClintock, but I don't know. I just didn't do it. This is No Boundaries little like jumpers, and I think these are Y2K. These were half price. They were only $1.50 a piece, and it came in 3 different colors. Somebody really loved this style of item, but I ended up not getting it. This Bailey's Blossoms, cute little jumper. It was new with tags, but they had it priced at $5. This brand just really doesn't move for me. Okay, I was in there for 3 hours. I spent $77. Definitely did not touch every single item in that store. That store has expanded since I've been there the last time. I think the last time I went is when they first opened. So they didn't have nearly as much stuff as they do now. So yeah, it was way overwhelming. 3 hours, and I went through only a few sections, and then I had to comp check. They had a huge vintage section, which was really great. I pretty much know nothing about vintage, and comps are all over the place, so that kind of meh. I have so much stuff at this point to list that I'm really only looking for high sell-through rate items, unless it had the 50-cent tag, and then I got the vintage things that I wanted that did have the 50-cent tag. But I ended up getting a garbage bag full of stuff and then 3 things for my daughter, so ended up being a successful trip. Haul to come next. All right, so we are back at home, ready to do the haul. I'm actually super excited. I got quite a few yellow tags, which were 50 cents a piece, so that is awesome. I'll share a couple things I got for my daughter. Look how adorable this is. It was $5, okay? But this is like a cute little shacket that a little boutique had, and honestly, it probably retailed for like 40 bucks, so I'm never gonna spend that on a child, so finding it at the thrift store was perfect for me. I also got this Life is Good t-shirt. It says I woof you. So that's adorable. And then a cute little swimsuit. Perfect. Again, they're gonna ruin them, so you might as well just pay $3 at the thrift store. I actually found this for myself. I do have a pair of black bottoms, and this is just Kona sole, so this probably retailed at Target for $30 to $40, and I got it for, I think, $2.98. Yes, $3 for the top to my swimsuit this year. Now, let's get to the reselling stuff. So these are so trendy right now, and honestly, there are some people that comment on people's videos and say, I live in a really small town, I cannot, you know, find things to flip. You can find things anywhere if you know exactly what you're looking for. So these are ASOS design, but they're these like really cute corduroy, like overall jumpsuit. It's very, very cute. I really wish it was my size, but it's a US 4. This was $6.98. I did see comps around like 30 to 40 bucks. So I'll take it. That is very much on trend. So I used to do dance, okay? And if you have ever been in dance or had a child in dance, you know that these costumes are like $100 a piece. They are expensive. So there were quite a few costumes there. I only took home this one just because I really like the detail, and I really think this is perfect for a lyrical performance. It only has like one little spot right here, but honestly, here's the thing. With competition dance, you have to provide your own costume. So if somebody can get this on eBay for say 25 bucks, I think I paid $3.98. So yeah, shooting for 25 bucks on this, 20 to 25. That is going to be such a great deal for that person. This one is Ryan Michael, and I'd never heard of this brand, okay? Ryan Michael. And that dance costume is Balera brand. I will show you the tag. To me, it's like second nature. I'm like, there's really only a few brands that I used when I was in dance. It was Balera and, gosh, what was the other one? I can't remember. But this one, I looked at the tag, Ryan Michael, and I thought it looked interesting, so I threw it in my cart. It is a linen blend snap front. I really don't like the color, but it had this, you know, stitching on the edges. That's an extra detail somebody could put in, and it is a linen blend. So I actually looked these up, and they're going for like 40 bucks. So very happy about that. All right, shout out to Jess if you're watching. Thrifting is my beach. She just posted a Hawaiian dress sale. She sold it for like 80 or 90 bucks, and I was like, I pass these up all the time, but I'm going to try it out this time. So this is a size 18. You Mekai. This is how uncultured I am. You Mekai. It is a made in Hawaii, 100% cotton, short sleeved dress. Like, the colors are really pretty. So we'll see. These had really mixed comps. Like, there were some that sold for $10 and there were some that sold for $90. So I'm going to price high, take Jess's advice, and price her high and see if somebody is willing to pay for it. This one, okay, this is a vintage Winnie the Pooh corduroy button-up. I know this isn't going to sell fast. I mean, it might. You never know. But I think it's so cute, and it was the 49-cent tag. So that's why I got it. It's a size extra large as well. I'm assuming probably 20 bucks on that. This one I kind of took a shot in the dark on. I couldn't find comps, but this brand retails for a ton. Logo by Lori Goldstein. This is a QVC brand. And this is like a tank top style long line sweater dress. I'm not sure. It is a wool blend. It does seem to be a plus size because it looks like it would be too big on me. So I'm betting it's a 2 or a 3X. I'll have to measure it. But it's in great shape, and this probably retailed for over $90 when it was sold on QVC. and that was $4.98. So I grabbed that. So this store had like a huge rack of vintage stuff, and a lot of it was priced way too high. Like they had just like some random vintage trench coats for 50 bucks. Like no one's gonna pay that, but they had random things priced at, you know, whatever. So this was a yellow tag, so this was 49 cents. They did have it priced at $14.98, which I would not have paid. But it's just this really cute like puff sleeve with the ruffle on the bottom and the big bow. This is definitely like an 80s style dress. The brand is Breakin' Loose. I thought it said Breakin' Love. Breakin' Loose. And yeah, it's like velvet on the top. It looks pretty small. It's probably like a size 5. But comps are kind of all mixed up on those types of things. So some have sold for $10 again, and some have sold for $100. So yeah, really just, it's all about how you market it with vintage items, as I've been learning. This was another 49-cent tag. I thought I really like selling these sleep dresses, but I just thought the details are really pretty. So it's got like this lace collar, and then look at the floral on this. It's just really pretty. It reminds me of like tapestry. Anyway, this was 49 cents. I can probably get 15 to 20 realistically for that. This one, I saw the print and I was like, this has to be Aerie, and it is. So this is an Aerie one-piece swimsuit. It does still have the hygienic liner in it, which is amazing. I didn't really look for tags. Nope, it's not new with tags, but it does have the liner in it. It was only $3.98. It was just weird because there were some Target swimsuits that they had priced at like $10, but they had this one priced at $4. But I believe this is a, yeah, that's a 2X. I toyed with keeping that one for myself, but no, I am going to sell that. This is a H&M dress. It is a size 12. And the only reason I bought it is because 1, I could possibly wear it. And 2, it is a beautiful style. Like these pleated sleeves. Oh, the whole bottom's pleated, and it is a midi dress. And these midi style dresses tend to do really good. I just thought it was a beautiful dress. And it is nice and modest, which this is a good church dress, because when you're wrangling the kids at church, you don't want to have things popping out different places or worry about if you're flashing anybody. At least I don't. I like to have more modest dresses like that if I'm wearing one to church. This next one, so I've really never found Hot Topic dresses before, but this is a Hot Topic size extra large little lace up, like just like jersey knit dress. And Hot Topic dresses do have close to 100% sell-through rate. Really good. So I figured I would pick it up. It was only $4.98. And I think that'll sell really fast. This one is beautiful, okay? I had to pick it up. It was also the yellow tag, so it was 49 cents. It is Scott McClintock. I don't know if he has any relation to Jessica McClintock, but it does have a similar vibe. This is like a very romantic, it has nice puff sleeves, but like I can see somebody reworking this and wearing this like for a wedding dress. But it is a really pretty midi dress. And again, comps were all over the place. Some were selling for 75, some for like 40, some for 10. So you really gotta, when you're listing vintage, it's more like long tail. I have, you know, heard at least. I haven't sold much vintage in my lifetime. Besides vintage baby dresses, which I have a little kid's dress right here. This was also a yellow tag. It is a, it says size 11. I'm not sure. It's definitely not a size 11, but it's this cute little red velvet Christmas dress. You probably have to wear like a long sleeve under it because it does kind of cut in right there. But it is Jane Copeland. I don't know the brand. A lot of times brand doesn't really matter on these. It's just a really nice quality dress. So I thought I would pick that up as well. Only a couple more items left. I'm really trying to be picky when I'm going out sourcing these days and only buying things that I know have a good sell-through rate or, you know, I'm excited to list. So from across the room when I first got there, I saw some Bogs and I was like, 100%. Bogs are really one of the only brands of kid stuff, like besides, you know, the obvious like Doc Martens and things like that, that always sell well. But Bogs are one of those brands that I will always pick up in kids' shoes even, because they sell. I just sold a pair of pink Bogs for $35 that I got at a garage sale, and they were used. And I think around this similar size. This is a size 5, and they have like dump trucks and different things on them. They're used, but they're in good use condition. And I have a little size 5 little girl ones. Somebody must have had twins. And these ones are a little bit more dirty on the bottom, but honestly, as you know, when you're shopping for your children, they're going to ruin it anyway. So there's that. And then these, I was actually super happy with these. So it's really hit or miss on reusable diapers. If you don't know, you can sell reusable diapers on eBay. Actually, last summer, I went to a citywide garage sale and this lady had cloth diapered both of her kids and they were all out of diapers, and she had, it was the last day of the sale and she had 2 big boxes. And I said, would you do both of those? I think she had one priced at like 100 and the other one priced at 25. And one had diapers that were a little bit more stained and one had really clean ones in it. And so I offered her 30 for the whole thing and she took it because she was ready to make deals. It was the last day. Anyway, I sold the clean set with no stains for like over $100. And then the ones that did have staining, I still sold for like 40 to 50 bucks, I think. It was a long time ago, but I really like cloth diapers, and it really just depends because you really have to find the name brand ones. But I looked this brand up, Bambino Mio, and these were doing really good. I saw like a lot of 6, which is, that's how many I have is 6. A lot of 6 was going for like 80 bucks. And look how cute they are. Adorable. They smell clean. So I'm a fan of these. Hopefully I can flip these for 75 to 80 bucks and that will be awesome. So that is my haul, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you like me, if you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.